Hello, welcome once again to 3D modeling using Blender software. So for today's lesson, we are going to begin with our first modeling as beginners. Okay, so what you see there is what we are going to model for today. We are going to use only two tools to create this thing. That's scaling and extruding. Okay, so we are going to also use an object called cube. So we are going to use that cube, then we transform it into this object or the object that you see there. Okay, so now let's begin with it. So I'm using Shift A. Okay, I'm using Shift A. Then I'll select a mesh object. The reason why I'm selecting a mesh object is that this will allow me to transform the cube into a different form or into any form that I want. Okay, so I have the cube there. You can also come to add mesh, then you select the cube there if you don't know the shortcuts. Okay, so right now I need to change this object into what we have here or into this form. Okay, how am I going to do this? It's very simple. So relax. So we need to change the object mode to edit mode. The reason is this will allow us to transform the object. Okay, it will allow us to transform the object to any mode that we want. When the object is in object mode, then it means that we don't have access to it. Okay, though it's there, we can. The only thing that we can do is to move it to one place to the other, but we cannot transform. We cannot change it into other mode. Okay, but as soon as you change it from object mode here into edit mode, it means that you want to edit the object. Okay, you want to have interaction with the objects. Please, are you okay? So, and one thing you have to also know that in Blender we have three modes of selecting. We have vertices select mode, edge select, then face select mode. Okay, so close to where we have the global. Okay, so this is our global. So close to it, we have vertices select, edge select, then face selection. Okay, so because I want to extrude the top part here, or because I want to mode because I want to mode this particular object here, I need to change it from the edge to face. Okay, as we all know that we use right to select. Okay, when it comes to the Blender software, we use right instead of you using the normal way of selection that's left. But with this particular software, we use right. Okay, so I'll select the top part here. So what I'm going to do is I'll extrude and scale. That's the only thing I'm going to do. Okay, so I'll extrude. As soon as I pull it up, let's check. Okay, I've extruded already. It means that I've extended or I've enlarged it. Please, are you okay with it? But I don't want it to be like this. Okay, so I will undo it. I'll extrude again. I'll right click to make the extrude or that part that I've extrude. Though I've extrude, but I did not pull it up or in the form. Though it's there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to scale it. Okay, as soon as I press on the letter S, okay, I'm scaling it. That's why you have the arrow there. So I can either pull it in a bit like this. Let's maintain it to this way. Okay. Then E again, or I'll just come to where we have the extrude region. To extrude again, I'll pull it up. Let's maintain it this way. Okay. So we have our the first part here. Okay. So the same process that we did for the first or for whatever that we've done so far. That's the same. We are going to repeat the same process. We are going to extrude again. Right click to make the extrude region settle down. Then we click on scale. Okay, to scale it in. So let's say this a bit. Okay, then we click on it. Then E again. So for this particular extruder we are going to do, instead of you to pull it up, we are going to pull it inside. Okay, so let's move on with it. So I'll move the mouse cursor down like this. That's all. So I'm done with the modeling. Okay, so I'm done with it. It's very simple. You extrude, sorry, you scale, you extrude, you scale, you extrude, you scale. Then that's all. Okay, so it's very simple. So this is what we did for today, or this is what we will do for today. Then next week we will start introducing some difficult ones, not particularly difficult, but some interesting ones. Okay, so because we are beginners, let's start with this so that gradually we move on to the character modeling